Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, equality is a question which often arises in many questions. Now, in case of regular languages, we need to design an algorithm which proves that given two languages are equal or not. If this is proven, we can say that equality of regular languages is a decidable problem. So let us see the question. Given two regular languages L1 and L2, our aim is designing an algorithm which proves that the two languages L1 and L2 are equal. Here we are going to use the set theory model. As given in the question, let us say L1 and L2 are the languages under consideration. Let us see how set theory could be applied to prove that these two languages L1 and L2 are equal. We know that L1 minus L2 is a set of all strings in L1 which are not there in L2, which could be represented using L1 intersection L2 complement. Similarly, we know that L2 minus L1 are the set of strings in L2 which are not there in L1. Now let us say if L1 and L2 are equal, then in that case L1 minus L2 must be null, as well as L2 minus L1 must also be null. And we know that the union of two null set is always a null set. So if L1 minus L2 union L2 minus L1 is a null set, that means L1 and L2 are both equal. And hence, to prove the equality of two languages, L1 and L2, the only thing that we have to prove is that L1 intersection L2 the whole complement union L2 intersection L1 the whole complement is a null set. Here we have used set theory to prove that the set L1 of language 1, the set L2 of language 2 are equal. Other than that, we can use other models such as finite state machine or regular expression or grammar to prove that two languages are equal. For that, we need to use various other techniques. Suppose we are using finite state machine. In case of finite state machine, we have to draw the minimal automata for language L1 and the minimal automata for language L2. We know that the minimal automata, that is the minimal DFA for any language is unique. If both of them turn to be the same, then we can argue that language L1 and L2 are the same. Similarly, if we are using regular expression, then using the identities of regular expression, we can prove that the language L1 and L2 are same. Proving equality using grammar is sometimes very difficult. In case of context-free grammars, which we will see later, proving two grammars are equal is actually an undecidable question. But in case of regular grammar, this could be proven using either automata or using regular expression. In the next video, we will see one more question on elementary questions about regular languages, that is whether empty string belong to the given language or not. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and do subscribe.